on my way to get something, and then something also came in the mail. Oh Jesus, I done showed my address. I just gotta blur that out. But something came in the mail, something that's going to change the M3 quite a bit. I hope, if it works. I hope it does work, by the way. But yeah, I'll open that when I get back home after getting what I'm about to go get. What I'm about to go get is something really cool. I really like what I'm about to go pick up, and I'm very excited. So I'll see you guys there. So this is going to be a very mixed thing of content. So yeah, this is going to be more so like a vlog and a little install video as well. So, you know, two things at once. Catch you guys in the next clip. All right, everybody. This is what I got. A little bunny. You see him? Oh my God. He's the cutest. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my God. He's so cute. You are so cute. And you're such a calm little guy. I can tell you're kind of scared, but yeah. Okay, so I have to open this, show you guys what it is, and then install it. And after I install it, I'll show you guys the difference. Well, now I have to see the difference as well, so we'll see the difference. But hoping it works. So let's see if I can like put this phone somewhere and unbox it. Alright, this should work. Hopefully you guys can see me. But boom. Let's see a KN filter. Hopefully this is not too big. It looks pretty big, but you never know. So you just have to see. Let's see. Yeah, no, that's definitely not going to work. So give me 1 second to open this thing. All right, now, boom. Loosen this. Damn. All right, give me a second. All right, so that's on. It was kind of hard to get on. It may actually be a 1.5 inch intake neck thingy, but it's squeezed on. So yeah, I just gotta put. Boom, that's on, and let's start the car. Where's the key? Oh, it's in my pocket, I think. I keep forgetting about that. So after the car warms up, then we'll be able to see if it makes any other noises. But you know, YouTube loves cold start, so let's give you guys another one. And then let's check on Oliver Cartel Simpson, as that is his name. And look at him right there chilling. If you guys can see his little ear. Alright, let me go around so you guys can get a better view of him. He's the cutest little guy ever. scared though. So it's gonna probably take him like a day or two to get used to me, but that's cool. It's funny how he matches the box. Alright, let's see if it sounds any different. The boost is a little, like the boost reacts a little quicker too. Alright, let's go for a quick drive. You know what, I'll take Oliver too. Me and Oliver are gonna go for a quick drive and we're gonna see how the car feels. Alright, view's terrible, but sorry, the other camera's dead somehow, because I was just charging it and you know what, I'm most likely gonna return that camera because it's always, literally, oh, what the hell was that? It's literally always something with this damn thing, so I'm all set with it, you heard. Alright. Quick little testy westy. I also don't know how Oliver is going to do with a fast car and a loud one too. So you can really hear a lot of supercharger noise now, a lot of whooshing, stuff like that. It kind of sounds like a blow-off valve. Yeah, you can really hear a lot of supercharger noise now. Seatbelt. Oliver's doing better than me. He got his seatbelt on, so. Alright, let's see how it sounds. Yeah, I like that. Now you can really hear the supercharger. Like, I wanted it to be kind of like a sleeper before, but it's like I paid like basically $8 grand for everything, so screw that. Alright, you know what, Oliver, I'll put on comfort suspension just for you. Beard stuff is sweaty. I can hear Oliver struggling to try to get to his favorite nook of the box that he's in. Sorry, little guy. But we'll go inside in a few minutes. Alright. Oh no, this is definitely not a good direction to go in. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, you know, he does not like loud cars. Alright, Oliver, calm down. Jeez, I haven't even done anything yet. This means when you go places, it's not going to be that fun for you. Actually, I'll just have to put you in the back, because, yeah, he does not like it. traumatize him on our first day of getting to know each other. So what I'm gonna do is bring him back home, and then later on I'll test and see if he likes to. So later on, I'll do it when at nighttime or whatever. I'm pretty sure there's going to be even like a meet today, so I'm going to see what my brothers are doing. And then I'll probably link up with them, but I don't know. I feel like the car drives a bit smoother with this too. I don't know. But I do like the sound, like the blow off. Well, the recirc, but yeah. I guess he doesn't really mind it. Let's see. First drop wasn't too eventful, but you definitely could hear it and feel the difference in the car. It feels a lot smoother, so yeah. Just that our little friend here does not like being in a fast car, which is kind of unfortunate because like H2OI and stuff is happening again this year. He's coming, so yeah, I'll bring him inside and give him some food and water and whatnot, but I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Thanks for watching for now, because I'm pretty sure we're going to get into some more later, so yeah.